Alright guys, this is Dan at Cardboard Hobby, busting up 3 boxes, 2014 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Good luck everybody. We got 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes. Once again, make sure that you check out our website, cardboardhobby.com. Make sure you follow us on Twitter at Cardboard Hobby. We give away free goodies pretty much on a weekly basis. Let's get a big hit in here. Good luck, everyone. 4 mini boxes. There have been others busted from this case, but as far as I know, no frames as of yet, as far as I know. I did have the case in my possession, so. Here we go, first mini box. Mike Trout, blue frame. Greg Maddux, Adrian Gonzalez, Bob Gibson, and your first hit. Oh, looks like it goes this way. My apologies. Ricky Weeks for the Brewers, numbered 8/25. Nice patch up in the top left there. Primary pieces. 8/25. First hit. Second mini box. Nice big fatty in this pack. Pedro Martinez at a 199. Troy Tulowitzki. Felix Dubront. Didi Gregorius. And your hit. Willen Rosario for the Rockies. 2 jerseys, 1 patch with pinstripe in it, auto. That is number 211/299. Get it to focus in for you guys. Nice card. Come on, camera. Hit for the Rockies there. Third mini box coming up. This is a thin pack here. Little thinny. Little thinny. Chris Medlin. Mark McGwire. Ivan Rodriguez. Mike Schmidt, and the hit. Chris Medlin. On card, 247 out of 399. The Braves. Good hit there. Okay, last box. Last mini box of the first box. Excuse me. Here we go. Didi. Tony Gwynn. Goldschmidt. Canvas Collection. Pirates. And the hit. Oh, wow. Joba. 101. That is a 101, guys. That is a 101. I don't know if you can see the 101 there. Get it up nice and close to the camera so they can get the focus. Come on, camera. 101, 2 pinstripes, Joba Chamberlain. Yankees. There it goes. 101 right there. 101. Second box. Got 4 mini boxes. Give me 1 second here, guys. I might have just got a message and just want to make sure that everybody's all set here. Give me 1 quick second to send out a quick email. Sorry for the delay here for just a quick second. Hopefully this delay makes it worth it. We got a big hit coming up. Alright, here we go. Right back to it. Let's go. Let's fire this up. Thin pack to get out of the gate. Let's get the thin one out of the way early. Thin pack. Here we go. Thin pack out of the gate. Let's fire this up. Palmeiro. Miguel Cabrera. Andre Dawson. Xander Bogaerts, and the hit. On card auto Kyle Seager, 232 out of 399. 232 out of 399. Kyle Seager for the Mariners. Here we go. We got a nice thick one in here. Let's hope for a little bit of mojo here. We already had a 101 pulled, so maybe we can continue our luck there. David Ortiz. John Smoltz. Cespedes. Sterling Marte. Here we go. This is out of 299. Your hit. Nick Castellanos. 297 out of 299. Dual jersey auto. Signature swatches. Here we go. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Oh boy, this one's super glued. Must be something monstrous in this one. Hoping for a nice hit in this one. Here we go. James Shields. Devin Mazaraco. Puig. And the hit. At a 75. We got Jared Parker. Han Jin-woo. Chris Sale and Shelby Miller. 30 out of 75. I will have to check the teams on that, so if you want to stick around for a couple minutes at the end, and I will check the teams and find if there's a majority or if that's got to be given away on random. And base card of McGuire, 99 and 99. Last mini box, second box. Bump the camera there. Fix that. Here we go. Travis Denard, rookie. Jordan Zimmerman. Jose Fernandez. Canvas Collection, Big Poppy, and last hit, last box. Jumbo, Momentous Material, Drew Storen, number, I can't read it. Number 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Drew Storen, Momentous Material for Washington. Here we go, last box. Good luck, everybody. Don't forget, cardboardhobby.com and @cardboardhobby are on Twitter. And 4 mini boxes. Here we go. Sorry about that. Bob Gibson, Matt Adams, Alan Craig, Mr. Kershaw, and the hit. Matt Kemp, Curtis Granderson, BJ Upton, and Michael Bourne. 56 out of 75. You're going to stick around. I'll check the teams on it. I will check for a majority owner. If not, random.org. Here we go. Nice card. A couple nice swatches on there. Primary pieces. Thin pack here. Thinny. Willie Mays. Steve Carlton. Lou Brock. Canvas Yankees. And here we go. Game used memorabilia. C.J. Wilson. Number 14 out of 50. 14 out of 50. It's an Angels hit. Here we go. Another thin pack. R.A. Dickey. Sandy Koufax. Mike Zunino. Paul O'Neill. And here we go. Taijuan Walker. Mariners. 343 out of 399. On-card auto. Mariners hit. Alright, come on. There's got to be something big in this last one. Last mini box. Come on. Oh, we got something thick. Let's just hope it pans out here. Here we go. Mr. Braun. 6 out of 199. Garcia Parra. Nomar. Will Clark. Robin Yount. And here we go. Last hit, guys. Good luck, everybody. 12 out of 99. I can tell you that. It's a Didi Gregorius. 12 out of 99. Diamondbacks. Signature swatches. Signature swatches. Guys, I'm going to check real quick on these randoms if you want to stick around. Once again, this is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. CardboardHobby.com. Thanks for sticking around for 3 boxes of 2014 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Stick around if you'd like to for the randoms. If you have a possible team, I'm going to go over the majority owners here right now.